Hey everybody, what's going on? Eric here. Hope everyone's doing well out there. Right now I am getting ready to join up the body and the neck, get everything all glued up and clamped up and just ready to dry. Now I did sand the top of the body a little bit and a little bit around the sides. I didn't want to sand it too much down, so I kind of lightly did it with some 320 grit sandpaper. So now I am going to end up joining the neck and the body. The reason why I didn't want to do any more sanding with the body is because if I start joining the neck together, there might be a gap between the under the fretboard or a gap where the joints meet up between the neck and the body on the sides, and I didn't want to have any gaps. So far everything worked out pretty good. Make sure you, if you're going to do something like this, make sure you give a very, very healthy dose of glue. You can always wipe out the squeeze out with a wet rag. So right now, I'm going to fast forward this video a little bit, and so you don't have to watch me just kind of like blob glue all over the place. And again, no zebras were hurt or harmed in making of this video. Alright, so I used a piece of acrylic on the back and a couple pencil erasers underneath the top of the clamp so I didn't damage the frets. Nice and tight. Everything fit perfect. No gaps. Still have a little bit of squeeze out going on. So I'll take care of that with a wet paper towel. And yeah, I can't ask for anything better. Everything's nice and straight. Nothing seems like it's out of whack. This should be a nice solid guitar when it's dried. So at the end is going to be a little bit of something special that I'm going to post up here, an email that I got from the guy who had the Yamaha guitar that I just got done working on. And yeah, pretty nice email. This is why I like to do things the way I do them. Enjoy.